All right. Hi, Eli and McKinley. I am just wanting to show you something that we did today. I linked the Google Classroom to the Envisions website. So this is going to show you an easy way to get your assignments. From what I understand, you should not have to put your username in every time. I'm not sure if that's the case because I have not tried it as a student, but it supposedly will link it to it. I apologize if that's not the case and you have to enter your password, but I do want to show you this. So you're going to go to the Google Classroom homepage. Looks like this, and then you're going to click on Classwork, and you are going to scroll down to Math, and it's going to be Interactive Student Edition Grade 2 lesson. When you click on it, you go to Take Me There Now. And what will happen, it's not going to look like this on my screen, I apologize. But what will happen on yours, it's going to pop up with your name, your Google account. You're going to click on that, and then you're going to scroll down, and you're going to hit, I think it's a blue button, and I think it says Accept. And then it opens up to the Savvis Realize page here. And yours looks different than mine because I'm sorry, I apologize. Because it is the student side. So it'll show like choose your icon or whatever that might be. You'll do that, and then you'll go down to the bottom of the page, and it should say something like how get started or something like that. Eli, it looks like you have done yours. So you are already there. McKinley, you will follow those steps and you'll be able to connect it to your Google Classroom. Email me if you have any questions. All right. Thank you. Bye-bye.